In 2018, India is celebrating 69th Republic Day. Republic Day, celebrated on January 26th every year, is one of India's most important national events. It was on January 26, 1950 that the Constitution of India came into force and India became a truly sovereign, democratic and republic country. How Republic Day will be celebrated? Honorable President Sri Ramnath Kovind addressed to the nation on the eve of 69th Republic Day of India on 25th January 2018 at 7 p.m. Flag hosting ceremony by Sri Ramnath Kovind, Honorable President of India, followed by parade from Rajpath, New Delhi, India. National awards such as Mahavir Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Veer Chakra and Bravery Medal are also distributed at this day to the soldier of armed force, common people and students from the school. A range of traditional and cultural programs are performed by the professionals from different states to focus the history and culture of the country. Chief guest on Republic Day of India 2018. India is going to witness something extraordinary this January 26 as head of 10 ASEAN will be blessing the 69th Republic Day parade with their presence. Here is the list of the 10 chief guests. Sultan and incumbent Prime Minister Hassan Bolkiah, Brunei. Prime Minister Hun Sen, Cambodia. President Joko Widodo, Indonesia. Prime Minister Zoudu Sisolit, Laos. Prime Minister Najib Razak, Malaysia. President Haitham Kawa, Myanmar. President Rodrigo Duterte, Philippines. President Halima Yacob, Singapore. Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha, Thailand. Prime Minister U Sang Fu, Vietnam.